guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to be doing my everyday makeup, and it's gonna be like a get ready with me, but it's gonna be super quick and fast forward. I'm not gonna talk much. I just want to show you guys kind of the makeup that I do if I need to go to work or if I am just running to the store. So something that's really quick and easy, pretty basic. I'm still gonna do lashes and highlighter because I'm a little bit extra. Alrighty, so we're just gonna go in with our primer. We're gonna do Master Prime. This is my go-to primer right now. I like this stuff. Before I start fast forwarding and not talking, just gonna say I'm sorry. I waxed my lip 2 days ago and my skin is really sensitive, and a piece of my lip actually got ripped off. So I don't know how the makeup is going to do on top of that. So if it looks a little funny, that is why. It's not acne, it's just my skin got ripped off. Okay, so now I'm not going to talk. I'm just gonna put some nice chill music in the background and show you guys how I do my makeup. I'm going to list all the products down below and just show you guys close-ups of them. That burns. Alrighty, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the face with our Airspun loose powder, and I just take that. I don't really bake, I just make sure that my whole face is covered in a really light layer. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my eyebrows with the products that I showed you off camera, so this video doesn't get too long. I'm just going to be taking the Mary Lou Manizer. Normally I do this the other way around, but I'm going to do, whenever I am having like a lazy day where I'm not doing too much with my makeup, I always put hella highlighter on because it makes you look like you tried way more than you did. And again, you can put highlighter on your forehead. I don't, because I have bangs. That's the only reason. So I'm taking the Mary Luminizer again and going right over top of that, and it's pretty much blinding. I love this stuff. And then after that last bit, I'm going to put some on my brow bone, lift that area up a little bit. Now we're just gonna take some brow gel and set our brows. This is by e.l.f. I believe it was like $2. They used to be clear, now they're brown because I have brown eyebrows. It's just the e.l.f. Eyebrow mascara duo. And let me see, we're gonna do lashes. Probably gonna do these off camera as well. I am not the best person to learn how to put lashes on because I still have difficulties sometimes. I will give you a tip, I cannot do it unless I have tweezers. Tweezers changed my life with the lashes. So I'm gonna go put these on real quick and I look like a whole different person with these on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Hard Candy Velvet Mousse. And this is in Cherry Blossom. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. This is one of my favorite lipsticks to wear when I don't want something too crazy, but I want something on my lips. And it stays a semi-matte, so it stays kind of glossy, which is something I like. Another gloss that's really nice to put over that is this gloss from e.l.f. in the color Michael. This is a really pretty color to put over top of this, and it turns it into like a gloss. So that is it for my everyday makeup. I'll show you guys something that I do if I want to get a little bit extra while staying really, really simple. Is I use this Revlon Diamond Dust in Starry Pink. I'll take it like this and I'll pop it right on my lid, and it gives you just such a bomb look without even trying. And it only takes like 20 seconds. Alrighty, so that is my makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down and do the outro. Alrighty, so there you guys have it. That is my everyday makeup look when I just need to go to work or go run errands. Super quick, super easy, only took me like 10-15 minutes. And if you guys have not already, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.